So now I've taken my NVR and my bridge and plugged them in, got them onto the network. I've mounted a camera and plugged that camera into the PoE port in the back of the NVR. Now we're ready to add our cameras over to the Vision platform. We're just going to use our PC and log directly into the Vision platform and add them from there. So let's open up our browser and let's go to ai-video.turingvideo.com. At this website, we're going to get this screen that says Welcome to Turing. We need to enter a username and password for our Vision account. If this is your first time and you do not have an account, we will need to go create one. So let's do that. Simply click on the icon Create Account. From here, we'll need to enter all of our information, email address, first and last name, password, and then you want to confirm the password, and you want to fill in a business name. Keep in mind the business name is going to be for the end user. So this could be a business, this could be a residence, but that is the name that it's looking for to go here. Let's do that now. So we'll enter in our email address, first and last name. Please input a password. Keep in mind it needs to be a minimum of 10 characters, at least one punctuation, at least one uppercase, and at least one lowercase. And then we'll need to confirm that password. And again, the business name. And now we need to click on Create Account. Now we receive the pop-up that the activation email has been sent to the email address we just used. The activation link will expire after 48 hours, so please make sure to check your inbox and click on the link attached to activate your account. Let's go do that now. So here we've received the email. Let's open the email. And from here we have our email with our registration link. So we need to click on this link to activate the account. I'm going to click on the link to activate. And we see your account has been successfully activated. You can log in now. Please click here.